expected to see them hanging from something. They've already calmed down a bunch. They're drawing back in a whole lot closer. Well, the queen is probably in the middle of that big hump. Right there on the side. It's on top of the frame. There are frames in the top one.
Oh, yeah.
That's my lemon oil, my lemongrass bag. So that might have drawn them in.
Look at all of them. I don't know if you can even see.
Pretty cool, huh? I was mowing and I made a turn near my barn, and when I turned around there was a cloud of bees in the air, and they're all over my extra hive bodies that I've got stored under my shed roof behind my barn, and there is a mess of them now. Pretty cool. I walked in pretty close to them and my neighbor said, "Nope, not me." Anyhow, guess I'll know what I'll be doing tomorrow. Be trying to gather all these girls up. Just wanted to share that.